All right. And so the last thing to kind of just prepare you all for Friday is going to be Catherine McKinnon's argument. And I indicated this kind of when we started Altman, but it bears repeating now that we're kind of like finishing with Altman to an extent. And again, this comes from your book here. Okay, so again, McKinnon is going to start on page 268. So I would definitely recommend following along this lecture, and then perhaps, and then more so the lectures on Friday. And so again, like when we think about what McKinnon is going to offer us, it's going to be a very different perspective than what Altman offers. So again, this kind of question of pornography, this question of, is pornography permissible? How ought we feel about pornography? McKinnon is definitely going to bring a feminist perspective to the topic. Okay? And this feminist perspective to the topic is one in which I think some of you might expect. And it's going to make the observation that ultimately pornography is bad for all. It's bad for both men and women. It's bad for males and females for a lot of differing reasons. And so again, if kind of on the heels of finishing Altman, if you're kind of like frustrated, you're like, he doesn't get it. Perhaps you will find something more applicable, or at least more in line with maybe how you already view or think about pornography. Okay, and I'm gonna save like the heart of it for Friday, but I just kind of wanted to give a little bit of a teaser, a little bit of kind of some precursory remarks here. That what we'll get with McKinnon's argument is going to be very, very different. And it's going to be very, very different insofar as again, thinking about and arguing for an alternative perspective than what we got from Altman.